In the age of 4K streaming boxes and consoles that play Ultra HD Blu-ray discs, are 4K Blu-ray players still worth it? Or are they only worth it when you have a projector or a fancy TV like the LG C9 OLED behind me? Well, I bought the Sony UBP X800M2 to find out. Stick around. Perfect. Hey guys, it's Villaman here, and on this channel we bring you the tech of entertainment. So we do unboxings, demos, comparisons, tips and real world reviews of the tech that entertains you, so you can find the best devices and get the most out of them. So if you're into that, then hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. So the UBP X800 Mark II, that's a very long name by the way. It's the newest 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray player from Sony. Now, this player has built-in streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Vudu, etc. and also supports Dolby Vision HDR as well as HDR10. So the primary reason why I bought this was to see if a dedicated player was actually worth it. So right now I have the Apple TV 4K for streaming and the Xbox One X, which I usually use for playing 4K Blu-ray discs. So let's get this unboxed and see what it's all about. The box is pretty descriptive. It tells you all the features of the player. So all the built-in apps and all the formats that it supports. Alright, so this is definitely a job for the official Villaman unboxing knife. Let's dig in. Well, that was anticlimactic. So we have 2 Blu-rays, free movies. Well, that's always good. I might give this away to a lucky subscriber. Let me know in the comments if you guys are interested. The Sony remote, and of course it has a built-in Netflix button because that's just common these days. Then there's a manual and setup guide. No one ever reads these. On the back we can see the LAN, HDMI, coaxial, and that's it. It's definitely no frills on the back, but that's all we pretty much need because the HDMI will take care of the Dolby Atmos audio that will get sent to either your TV or your receiver. So of course you have to go through the setup process to see what that's like. Okay, so it has a Hibernate function where it can be woken by the network. So I think I'll select that, saying make sure you have the right cables, so make sure that your cables support 18 gigabits per second HDMI, so any certified HDMI cable will have that capability. Select your network. Let's just update it because why start using it with the old firmware, right? So if you have a Dolby Vision capable TV, make sure that you go into the screen settings and enable that because it's off by default. And once Dolby Vision is enabled, then 3D is also disabled, which is very interesting. So you can also configure whether you have a TV or a projector connected. Most settings are set to auto, so it'll detect what your TV is capable of and what the disk data is telling it, so it'll adjust the settings accordingly, so that's good. You don't have to change those settings. So of course I'll be giving you all my thoughts in the full review after I've used the player and find out how it really works. I'll also be doing some comparisons, so disc-based Dolby Vision versus streaming on the Apple TV 4K via iTunes or Vudu, for example. And if you're actually interested in this player and want to buy it, then I provided links in the description where you can do so. And if you want to help support the channel so we can bring you more content like this, then you can visit the Villa merch store, which I provided links to in the description, where you can buy cool t-shirts like this and more. So yeah, check it out. Are you also in the market for a UHD Blu-ray player? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like the video if you like the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and until next time. This has been your friendly neighborhood Villaman saying, peace.